Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you about postfix expression evaluation. In this, I have created a class name called postava. Yeah, I have created an object for the class which I have given the enter the size of the stack because size of the stack is got by the giving input by the user for the program. User is giving the input, so I'm just giving enter the size of the program to get the input from the user, and I'm just storing that to the self size is equal to yes, and self top is equal to -1. After the class, outside the class, I just given an empty list called data. Here I just created a while loop x is equal to int, enter the expression character by character, because we are getting the input from the user by character. If this is a null character, it just breaks and executes the program. If it is not a null character, and it just executes, it just go for the else statement here. It just prints data.append. It just makes the append function, and just gets to here push function, just goes to the push functions. If that is not a null function, if it is a character, it just goes to the push functions. See, I'm just gave it here push function. If that is not a number, if that is a character, then just go for here. I have given many elif characters here, many elif characters here. If that is a plus, just goes here. The last number of the list is taken as A, and the before the last number is taken as B, and just executes the elif statement, because if it is plus, it just prints this elif. If this is not plus, and if this is a star, then it just prints this, like that. It goes on. If it goes to push function, it just checks that the self top is equal to the self size is -1. That means if the top of the top of the data is full, then it just shows that stock is full. If that is not full, then it just appends the data over here, which is given by the user. It just appends, then it just executes the program. Just we can just run the program here. This is a postfix expression. Let's see this. If a b c plus star d e minus plus, if this is the expression, it executes, first executes 20. I executes 20, then 5, then c is 25, then plus the value plus comes. If the value plus comes over here, it just goes. Yeah, this is taken as a over here. I just said you right. The last expression will be taken as a. That's why it's taking a, and this will be as b. So it will just gets plus and become 30 over here. After that, it just comes to star. If this is star, the same way, the same as the plus operator, it just goes for the elif operator over here, star elif operator over here, operator over here. Then it just multiplies and get the value of 600 till this is done. Now it just prints d value is 100, then e value is 20, then shows minus. So minus, I'm just giving minus. Now what happens means 100 minus 20, it will happen and gives the value as 80. 80. Then it just comes for the plus operation over here. It just comes for plus, for plus, plus. It just comes as 680. This is the last value which will be present over here. Last value should be present over here. Let's execute the program and check it's right or not. The value I got is 680. Now let's just check. Size of stocks 15. Expression by character. A is 20. I'll just give the A is 20 over here. Then B, this is 5. Then 25. Then plus, value plus. Then star. Then star, then D. D is 100. Then E. E is 20. E is 20. D, E. Then minus, expression minus. Then plus. To exit the operation, I'm just giving the null operation, empty operation, which is enter. After that, I just got the answer as 680. Final result as 680. Now let's check the answer what I had. This is also 680. So it is verified. Thank you guys.